वेलकम बैक टू चैनल गाइस. टुडे हम लोग जा रहे हैं देवरायनदुर्गा which is DD Hills. This is the first time I'm going there and I'm going with two people who are with Time Tiger. So hopefully I should be able to catch up with them. So I always wanted to go to DD Hills but never got a chance there. I heard it's a pretty good place. So let's see, right now we have just crossed Nilmangala and DD Hills is like some 60 odd kilometers from Bangalore. It comes near Tumkur. Yesterday I was thinking I should go for a small ride on Saturday, but later on my friend called me and said like, okay, we are planning to go to DD Hills. If I am interested I can also join. So I said okay, let's go for that trip. And as always I expect it should rain and weather looks really nice. I hope we might get fog on the DD Hills because I can see those hills, they are covered with fog. But possibility है कि DD Hills पे भी ऐसा ही सीन देखने को मिले. And as you can see, those two, the guys with Tiger, they are way ahead than us. And right now I'm struggling to beat their speed. So just now done with breakfast and now we are back on road. I believe DD is like 20-30 kilometers from here. You can check out the weather. Like, it's very much cloudy and probably that side it will be raining. So Devarayanadurga is 20 kilometers from here. I just saw a signboard. So I believe this 20 kilometers will be a village road and देखते हैं. अभी तो रोड अच्छा है, बाद में कैसा होता है.
Feel the daylight on our skin. We are young, we feel everything. Yeah, it's starting to begin. Hear the words we were meant to sing. Close my eyes, I feel where we are, where we are. We can run all night till the dawn, till the dawn. Light it up like the stars. No more fear of hiding. Stay where we are. We're the ones. We can break the silence. We can break the silence. We can break the silence. In the distance, I can see all the things that we can achieve. Are you starting to believe that tonight it was meant to be? Close my eyes, I feel where we are, where we are. We can run all night till the dawn, till the dawn. Light it up like the stars. No more fear of hiding. Stay where we are. We're the ones. We can break the silence. We can break
are done with DD Hills. I would say काफ़ी awesome place है. When it's a clear sky, you can see the whole valley. So now we are heading back to Bangalore, which is like 60 to 70 kilometers from here, and probably we will take a small pit stop at some chai shop and have tea and then disperse. So a while back we stopped for a small pit stop, थोड़ा छोटा मोटा snacks खाया और अभी we are going back to Bangalore. And luckily it's around 11 o'clock or something, and still weather is nice, so it's very peaceful to ride in this kind of weather. And I'm cruising like crazy right now. In the end, guys, if you like this video, then don't forget to give this video a like, and if you have any suggestions or comment, please put them down into the comment section below. And if you are new to the channel and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. Please click that subscribe button below. And that's all from my side today. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time.